In the school halls, Principal Ivan and Carla always greet each other with friendly smiles. Despite their different roles, they treat each other with respect and help create a positive atmosphere in the school. In the middle of the school year, Principal Ivan notices that Carla seems different. She arrives at work late more often.
Ansyado! Ba't kaya naman late? Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Sorry ma'am, may inaasikaso ko po sa akin. Ito na po tayo.
Concerned, Principal Ivan wants to know what's bothering her.
Oh, Ansyado, I've noticed that you don't seem like yourself lately. Ayos ka lang ba?
Sorry sir, marami lang po talaga akong iniisip.
Well, if that's the case, take care of yourself and don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it, okay?
Oh, ate, kamusta na sa ka? Ano ba? Sure, nakasama sa pera. So, nag-sip ba ako sa sakot? Pero huwag kang mag-alala ate, gawin ko yung paraan.
So, good day everyone. I called you here today because there is someone that I am willing to help, and in order to do that, I will also be needing yours.
Parang kanina po ba ito, sir?
So, do you know one of our janitress here in our school? Her name is Carla Ansyado.
Yes naman, sir. She was so considerate and she even helped me once in the hallway kasi marami akong dalang. Napakabuti ng bata.
Ngayon, tayo naman ang tutulong sa kanya. Her mom is at the hospital and I will ask you for any amount of donations para naman mabawasan ng isa sa kanyang mga problema.
Sure, sir. Parang na din naman natin pamilya si Carla. We're willing to help with any way that we can.
Oo nga, sir. Tulong na rin namin to para sa makabutihang ginawa niya sa amin before.
Mabuti at we are at the same page, so salamat sa inyong tulong.
A week later, Carla is called to the principal's office. She was worried she might get in trouble for being late, but instead she finds a surprise waiting for her.
Sir, pinapatawag niyo po daw ako.
Yes, Carla, take a seat. Here, take this.
Sir, ano po ito?
The teachers and I thought of many ways on how to help you and your mother. Kaya ito.
Paano niyo ba nalaman?
Huwag mo nang isipin yun. Ang isipin mo na lang is how to take care of your mother and to take care of yourself.
Sir, hindi ko po talaga ito matatanggap.
No, Carla, tanggapin mo na yan. Tulong na rin namin yan para sa iyo, para kanpasin ng pamilya dito.
Maraming salamat, sir.
And you know what? I permit you to take a leave for a week so you can take care of your mother first, okay?
Maraming salamat po talaga, sir. Hindi ko po talaga ito manilimutan.
So, pakabait ka at tulungan mo ang iyong inaha.
Oo po, sir.
The next week, Principal Ivan sees Carla back at work with a smile on her face.
Back already! If I may ask, how's it going?
Magaling na po siya.
Here.
Salamat po talaga sa ginawa ng pagtulong sa akin. Tatay,
You don't have to worry, Ansyado. We were happy to help. Basta pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging hardworking at pagiging mabait mo, and we'll always be there for you.
The moral lesson in embodied in Article 7, Section 1 of the Code of Ethics for Professional Teachers, underscores the significance of demonstrating compassion and support towards colleagues and staff members. By fostering an environment of mutual respect and assistance, schools cultivate a sense of belonging and unity, promoting effective collaboration and enhanced well-being among all members. Through acts of kindness and understanding, educators uphold the principles of dignity, responsible leadership, and enlightened guidance, ensuring the holistic development and success of both individuals and the school community as a whole.
Ayos ka lang ba?
Ayan na, imong kamo. Dili, balik. At tama ang cellphone niya. Ayan na. Nag-ana. Ayan na, pagbalik.
Kinampang
Naku, sir, di ko pa talaga ito mata.